Hi, this is Allison Sheridan, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. One of the most important applications I have on every Mac I own is called Bartender. Whether it's because you have a small screen or because you're a menu bar app addict, if you have too many menu bar apps to fit on your menu bar, then you need Bartender. I'm not kidding that Bartender is one of the very first apps I install on a new Mac. Now, Bartender's been around for a very long time, and in fact, we taught about it back in 2013. Bartender 4 was just released in public beta, and it's nearly feature complete, so we felt it was time for a new foundational show on Bartender. Note that Bartender 4 does not run on earlier versions of Mac OS. Since Bartender 4 is in public beta, you can download an unlimited free trial at macbartender.com. When you're ready to buy, Bartender 4 is only $15 US. If you own Bartender 3, the upgrade license is only $7.50. Bartender is also available with your setup subscription. Bartender 4 has two very fundamental features. It allows you to control which menu bar items are visible at any point in time, and it provides you a second menu bar, called the Bartender bar, that holds your hidden items. Now, Bartender 4 does a lot more than that and does it very elegantly, but these are the two main fundamental features of Bartender. Before I launch Bartender for the first time on this account, I want to draw your attention to my menu bar. I'm in the Finder right now, and from here to here is the normal Finder menu, and these are the different menu bar apps that I'm running right now on this account. I may be running more than these, but I can't tell because right here, it just stopped showing them to me. There might be more to the left, there might not be. This is an account where I don't run a lot of different menu bar apps. On my regular account, I would have way more than these. Right here, you see Activity Monitor, and I'm showing my SSD and memory right here. Now let's just bring up a simple text edit file, and I want you to watch the memory icon right there. And you'll see that it just disappeared. So I've just lost some data that I should be able to see. With Bartender, I will be able to manage these so I can always see all of the menu bar apps that I'm running and those that I need to be able to see. Let me pop that back down and go back to Finder, and you'll see that memory comes back. But that's just a simple illustration of the problem we're going to solve with Bartender. Let's launch Bartender for the first time. When it first comes up, it does explain this is a public beta. We understand that going in, and it has been very stable for me, so I think it's safe to start working with it now. I'll tap Next. This explains what's new in Bartender 4, but I'll be going through all of this in detail. Let me close this down. I want to show you that immediately Bartender has taken effect. You'll notice that I have no menu bar items showing at all, and they've been replaced by these three dots. That's the default Bartender icon. If I click on that, you'll see all of my glorious menu bar items. The icons go all the way across and in fact have replaced the Finder menu. That's something very new in Bartender 4. So no matter how small your screen is, you can get a lot of icons on the screen now. You still have your Apple logo, of course, and you still have Control Center, Siri, and the clock that are put in by default by macOS Big Sur. Now you'll notice that I clicked on that to get it to come up, but by default, I can also simply hover. So I'm just moving my cursor up and down and hovering, and I'm getting all of my menu bar apps immediately visible to me. Now, the control of those behaviors is something we'll go through when we get into the preferences.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.